Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. So you can follow my channel to learn about marketing and the psychology of marketing and digital marketing and business stuff. Okay. So today's topic is like uh, how to download images, which is copyright free. Like you cannot, I think like you cannot use all images to produce your content. Like on your videos or some on your content on blogs you can't use others image. So how to download copyright free images and how where should I download copyright free images and how to use them. Okay, so let's discuss them. So okay, I am sharing my screen with you for this. Okay, thanks. Just a sec. Yeah, so give me one sec. So the first method is like you use images from you can download images from Google, but you cannot use all the images from Google. Like okay, let me search for you like digital marketing. Tool, digital marketing. Okay, so here is all is like there is blogs and there is news and videos. So there is image section. So you need to go to image section, and after going image section you cannot use all the images from you see here. Like you cannot use all the images because some images are paid and some images are copyright issue, have have copyright issue. So how can you check like if this image is copyright have copyright or free from copyright? So there is a way to check the image is copyright free or have copyright issue. Okay, so for this you need to go to the there is a section like tools. So you need to go to the tools, and after clicking tools there is more sections available, options available here, will available here like size, color, type, time, and users rights. So you need to go to users rights, and you need to like commercial and other licenses are the paid images you can say, or the copyrighted images. So you need to go to the creative common licenses. Okay, let's click that. Then these all the images are copyright free, like all the images, these all the images are copyright free. Like you can download any one of them and use on your content, any or use anywhere you want. Like I think there is millions of images. Okay, yeah. So let me download one for you. Like you need how to download. So you need to click on the image. After clicking on the image, you need to okay, give them 10 seconds or 20 seconds to uh, fully install. Okay, so after you need to right click on the image and click on save images. Click on save images. Okay. Okay, after clicking save images, there is a window open. So you need to save the image on your computer anywhere you want. Okay, and you can name the image. giving the name of the image is very important to SEO perspective. Like uh, there is a part of in SEO like image alt text. So the name of the image is called image alt text. So it is very important part of SEO. I will be discuss this part in SEO video. Okay, so I am giving a name like DM one. You can give any name of the image and click on save. So the image is downloaded, and you need to click on the show in folder. So the image is goes where you save the image. So I saved the image on the download folder on the Google Sheet. So okay, let me open this image. Yeah, so the image is open now, like pretty clear. So you can use this image anywhere you want. Okay, like on your blog or something, like on your YouTube video or anything. I use I am also using this type of image on my YouTube videos or blogs. So this is the first method how to use free image. So this is the easiest method in the Google how to use image from Google. Huh? And the second method is like there are many apps like applications available on the internet where you or there is many sites available on the internet which provide free images for you. So you can download from them. Like first is like yeah unsplash.com. Yeah, you can write them if you want to use in future. So the first is like unsplash.com. You can use uh, you can download any free image from here on any content. Like there is many paid image also available, but also free image also available. So like okay, l- like search engines. Okay, so after clicking search engine, there are many images available. Let it be downloaded. What's going on? What's happening? Yeah, it is taking some time to download. I think some issue with internet. Yeah. So okay, I need to search from something else. Okay, I will let it search like Facebook. You can search anything. Yeah. So that's like there is there are many free images available related to Facebook. You can download any one of them. So how to download? Okay, let me download for you one image. So I think this image is pretty cool for WhatsApp or to use anywhere. So I am just click on that like on the image. Just yeah. After clicking on the image, you can simply click on the download free, or you can click on this scroll button. So there is many options like what type of what what size you need to download. Okay, so you can download any one of them, like small image, medium image, and large image, and the original image. So I think I need to download the large image. You know, you cannot upload a bigger. You cannot upload a bigger size image on YouTube as well as your blogs. Like the maximum size of the image should be 2 MB. You cannot upload a image which have size bigger than 2 MB. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah, yeah. So this is the image. So now you can like the image is very clear, and you can use the image anywhere. There is no copyright issue because this image is free. So yeah, this site is unsplash.com. So let me go on the next. Okay, so next is pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is similar to unsplash.com. You can download any one of image you want to download. You need to type the name here. Like you can download anything like uh, okay, on freelancing. Affordably. Yeah. So I type freelancing, and there are many types of images available here, appear here. So you can download any one of them. Okay. So I think, yeah, this image is pretty cool. So I need to download this. I want to download them. Okay, so the interface is, I think, similar and somewhat different. And you can upload the image if you want. Like if you have some images and you want to upload, you can also upload the image on these sites, and you can earn money from these sites. If you generate cool image, you can also make money from these sites by your image. So like you just need to click on free image, free download, and there is size available. I think we can download this image because this is less than 2 MB, so I think we should download this. Okay. Ooh, let me sign in for you. One sec. Why is taking? Yeah. So now it's downloaded. You can check. Yeah. Look at the clarity of the picture. And third is sorry, fourth is like one is Google and the other third is freepic.com. You can download the images from here also, absolutely free. So like you can download any like a travel. You just need to enter a keyword. Yeah, and the like some cool pics available here. Look at the pictures. So I will just want to download this. Okay, so you just same interface, I think. So you just need to click on download. You just need to click on download. Okay, so this is not free, I think. Okay, so we can choose other one. Let me search. Because some images are not free here, but most of them are free. Okay, so I think we need to check this. What's the- Okay, sorry guys, I am forget to tell. I am sharing my screen again with you. Okay, so this is the third one, free pick. So you need to first click on like here resources. So you need to click on the under arrow. So then you need to search like free. Click on free. Okay. So just click on free and vectors, photos, PSD icons. So if you just want to all, so you can click on all, and if you particularly want anything else like icons, photos, vectors, so you can click on them as well. So I think this is a advanced tool. Okay, so we just click on free and like click on free and then search and then type anything. Okay, let me type again travel. Just hit enter. So now these images are free. Okay, so you can download. So just click on them and just hit on download. Okay, so guys, here in FreePic there was a problem, but now the problem is solved. You can download images from FreePic. Okay, so you just need go to, like, okay, I'm cut again. Click. You just need only click any picture, then you just hit and download. Okay, then it is saying it is attribute required. So you just need click on attribute required. You just need to free download. Okay, so yeah, so the attribute downloaded, but in zip form. So you just need to the show in folder, like you just need to go in the location, and after after right clicking, you just need to extract extract here or extract file. Okay, you need to click extract file and click. Okay, so the name of the file is travel sales, so the travel sales with photo. Okay, and the here is the GPG format. Okay, so the photo has been downloaded, and now you can use this picture. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is for today, guys. This is all for today. And you can comment if you want any type of video related to digital marketing, and any technical video, you can comment on my channel. Okay, so let's stop it here. Okay, bye.